Solve the inequality 7 minus 9x is greater than or equal to 25. And so we have 7 minus 9x is greater than or equal to 25. And what we're going to do here is we're going to take the 7 and we're going to send it over the inequality sign. Now, when we take the 7 and send it over the inequality sign, it becomes a -7. So what we actually have here is negative 9x is greater than or equal to 25 minus 7. Now, what is 25 minus 7? Well, 25 minus 7 is 18. And so we have negative 9x is greater than or equal to 18. Next, we're going to divide both sides of this inequality by -9. And what we have here is this -9 cancels out with this -9. So those two cancels out. And so we have on this side is we have x on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, we have 18 divided by -9. Notice that we changed the sign. Notice that this was greater than or equal to, but then now it's less than or equal to. And that's because we divided by a negative number. Whenever you divide by a negative number, when you're doing inequalities, you have to change the sign. You have to change you have to change the sign. You have to change its direction. And so what we have here is we have x is less than or equal to 18 divided by -9. And 18 divided by -9 is -2. So what we have here is x is a less than or equal to -2. And that's our answer to this question. Now, part B wants us to graph your solution from A on a directed number line. And so we have our number line here. And notice that we have -2. So we have defined -2. And notice that we have a line at the bottom. So that line at the bottom indicates that we must shade in this circle. All right. And so we have, because we have to include -2. All right. Because it's x is less than or equal to -2. So -2 is included in this solution set. Now x is less than or equal to -2. So we have to look for numbers that are less than -2. And numbers that are less than -2 would be -10, -9, -8, and so on. So that means that the arrow goes in the left direction. It goes to the left. And this is our answer. So this is x is less than or equal to -2 represented on the number line. And that's our answer to this question.